Hi. So V5.
Okay, everyone here.
To action.
Action. Okay. So first thing we need to tear down the back cover first. So after that, this will be the inner components. Right. Okay. So
dia buka belakang dulu. Okay, so ini dia buka. Dia guna
this is the back cover.
So inilah dia dalam dia. Nampak? Kemas.
So what we can see, the main board, camera, and then this is the NFC. So the battery is at bottom. So first thing we need to unscrew and take out the bracket from the main board and NFC together. So can see how tiny is the screw is. Okay, so we open up the NFC, the wireless charging.
So sekarang ni dia dah keluarkan.
Okay, so the bracket is take it out already. So next step will be take out the camera. So after this, only release the connector, then take the main board.
Kamera.
So ni dia nak buka kamera.
Oh, dah macam Lego.
Dia nak buka kamera ni.
Yeah.
Okay, so next will be the connector.
Kalau video monetize.
Di dalam tu dia punya nipis bateri tu.
Tu apa motherboard dah kita pasang.
So this is the motherboard. Okay. So this is the first battery. So we have two battery here. So the second battery will be here. So I need to tear the screen first.
Wow. Ya. Bateri kedua.
Oh, oh. Okay. Okay, so this is the outer screen. So can see how thick is the screen is.
Screen luar.
Okay. So battery outside, left and right. So one is big, one is so this is the main power core for the V5.
Okay.
Alright.
Later you guys can ask me more questions. Okay, so done. Okay,
Okay.
after you guys done,